Right, this all go on new thing. Some pepper this. This is a little one. Plant set time as this one. See them? Yeah, these ones just start there. And then you have these tomatoes. Need to stick them up. That one there. And this big one over here.